Hey everyone, welcome to Big Lots. I finally figured out how to record and not have the music playing that they love to blast. So I wanted to show you what it was like to shop with me in Big Lots. They really didn't have a lot of good sales going on. They had some clearance, but nothing that said, buy me. So I did buy a few things. I found some Lysol spray, so I bought a few cans of those. I got some snacks for Sean, but other than that, nothing big, nothing great. But this was just, I just wanted to just show you. Oh, there goes the clearance. See? Nothing really great, just some cereal. Uh, Nothing really. But that's okay, you know. So I did get some snacks for Sean and some seltzer water. But other than that, that's it. Yeah. But tomorrow night is going to be really exciting. And I hope you'll join me as I'm being interviewed by the Angry Prepper over on his channel. Oh no, sorry, not tomorrow night. It's tonight. See? You know me. Slip of the mind, it went on vacation. Let's see if it comes back. But it's tonight, 9 o'clock, over on his channel. So please join me. I am so excited. It is such an honor that he chose me to interview. So, yeah. I hope to see you all there. I really do. Okay. Well, I'm going to hop off so you guys can watch the rest of this and enjoy my shopping trip. Yay! 9 o'clock tonight, Angry Prepper Channel. See you in the next one. I love you. Goodbye.